Welcome to the Ownership Review, where we do a bunch of maintenance to see what this car is like to live with on a daily basis.
Here are the high points of the 2018 Tesla Model 3. Connecting your phone to the vehicle via Bluetooth is a relatively simple process. The large touchscreen menu and the rather straightforward instructions should allow you to connect a phone with little hassle. The washer fluid reservoir is accessible in the driver's side of the front of the vehicle. You won't have to make a long reach nor remove any panels when removing the cap to add fluid. Attaching a child seat to the vehicle should be a hassle-free procedure. The anchor points are clearly marked and offer enough space on which to hook the seat. Not everything is perfect. Here are the pain points. This Model 3 has a rather unusual setup in that the front of the vehicle is not just an engine bay, but also combined with a storage space. There are many large and bulky panels that are secured by various fasteners and bolts, which will need to be removed for access to many of the components from the battery to the engine coolant to the air conditioning fill cap. All of the headlights and the taillights on this vehicle are LED. This means their entire housings must be removed should any of these lights need to be replaced, which will require tools and end up being lengthy and convoluted procedures. The front wiper blades must be engaged into their service position before their wiper arms can be raised up. Afterwards, you will need a panel puller to actually disengage the blades, all of which may prove to be rather time-consuming. Overall, despite its compact size, the 2018 Tesla Model 3 is a very difficult car to maintain, and is only recommended for those with intricate knowledge of all electric vehicles.